Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we're going to solve this question which says reproductive health in society can be improved by option A, introduction of sex education in school, option B, increased medical assistance, option C, awareness about contraception and STDs, and option D, all of the above. Let us understand the question. It says reproductive health in society can be improved by. So how can we improve this reproductive health in society? That is the question. Now, first of all, we have to understand what is the meaning of reproductive health. So what do you understand by that? So this has been very well defined by WHO, that is World Health Organization, which says reproductive health is nothing but the total well-being, well-being in all aspects of reproduction, okay, of reproduction. So when we say, see, you must be wondering like, why am I writing the same sentence which is there in the textbook? The reason is you should know the definition of reproductive health because it is very important with respect to exam. Now, what is the meaning of reproductive health? It is the total well-being in all aspects of reproduction. So when we say all aspects of reproduction can get affected by the social, social needs or social stress. So you can say social aspects, physical aspects, okay, physical aspects like the physical condition, okay, aspects. Then you have emotional aspects, those people who are in depression or something, okay. So that also will affect their reproduction ability, okay, or reproductive health. So all these will definitely play a role in affecting reproduction or reproductive health. Okay, so to avoid these, aspects or to take care of these aspects and also to improve reproductive health, what can be done? Okay, so that is the question. So option A says introduction of sex education in school. Yes, it has to be introduced. So what do you mean by sex education, first of all? There is a very much, very big misconception, I would say, about sex education in schools or colleges. Okay, so the reason is like sex education does not mean, only the coitus or the sexual activity. Sex education means the various developments what occurs in adolescence. Okay, various changes what is happening in their body. Okay, so you must be you are in 12th standard, so there must be, many changes which are happening in your body. Okay, so that has to be learned, and that is one of the reason why you have this chapter in your subject. Okay, so you should know, you should be aware like what is the changes which are happening and what should be done. Okay, in case if you're feeling uncomfortable. Okay, so that has to be done by your teachers or the school authorities, where they will teach you about the various changes, the sexual changes what is happening in your body. Okay, and apart from that, they will also teach you like, like what is the meaning of safe sex and how to avoid pregnancy in, in case where there are so many incidents which are happening now in all over the world, I would say, because rapes are happening and the children are, raped and they have to be taken care. So in such case, what to be done, what are the contraceptive methods to be used, okay, contraceptive methods to be used, etc. So let us see. So option A says introduction of sex education in school. Yes, that is absolutely right. Only then the children will be ready and, they will take care of their health, and that is how they will grow into good adults having good reproductive health. Then option B says increase medical assistance. Yes, those people who cannot reproduce properly or they have some hormonal issue, then they can have this, this assistance, medical assistance. Okay. Then further, you can say awareness about contraception and STDs. So what do you mean by that? So as I told you, contraception, that is, these are the methods by which pregnancy can be avoided, and STDs are nothing but a sexually transmitted disease. Sexually transmitted disease. So in case of unsafe sex, then if at all any of the partner is being infected by any virus which can be transmitted through sex, and that is such diseases are called as sexually transmitted diseases. Okay. So how to have safe sex and how to avoid these sexually transmitted diseases, and those awareness should be spread to people, and then only you can say that reproductive health in society can be improved. So this also is correct. So according to our description, all the above is correct, are correct. Okay. So let us conclude. Okay. So what is the conclusion? Option D, that is all of the above. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.